Alright, so what I'm going to show you today is how to build a very basic web form in Podio. This can be a very quick tutorial. If you want to see the full web form, including some advanced features, click the link that you see on your screen. But this is the very basic, how do I get one up, and what's it look like. So you need to be in a workspace where you want that web form to exist. So right now I'm in my demo CRM, and I'm just going to click Add App. And then I'm going to do Create App. And then I'm going to name it my contact form. Alright, once I create it, I'm basically going to just start dragging in the fields that I want to appear on that web form. So it already comes with this. I want to call this first name, and I'll do last name, make that single line, do email address, do phone number. Alright, now the important thing is that the help text that you add onto these fields actually do appear on the web form. So how can we help you? That's what I'll name the field. It'll be a multi-line, and I'm going to add some help text. How can we help make Podio better for you? We're done. Alright, so now I have all the fields that I want to be in my web form. Now I need to publish it. So I'm going to hit done. And then in this app field or view here, I'm going to find my wrench here. It's either going to be in this pop out here, or if you've got that down, it's going to be like that. And then I'm going to do web form. So now what I'm able to do is it's going to show me kind of what the web form is going to look like. First name, last name, email address, phone number, how can we help you? Over on the right hand side, I'm going to skip these two sections for now. I'll come back to them. But down to the bottom is the configuration. So here I get to choose the fields. If I don't want them to attach files, I'm going to turn that off. Title and description, contact form. Let us know how we can help. Get some theme options. Make it the dark theme. You can put your own custom CSS right there. You can change the button text to say process. And the success message as well. Leave that how it is. So once I've got that kind of set up the way I want it to be, I hit save and share. Now what's going to pop up is the exact same fields that are over here on the right hand side, and the first is the shared web form link. So I can actually send people this link and it just opens up in its own website. Looks great, and I can just give people that link and they can fill out my form. Now, and this is what it looks like. So if I wanted to host that somewhere else, this is where the code is, so I can just copy and paste that code into my own web page. If you do that, make sure that you put the domain name of the web page that you put in that code there, because what this does is it stops spammers from basically copying your web form, putting it somewhere else, and then just bombarding you with entries. So it will only accept entries from those domain names of where that hosted code is. So make sure you always put in the domain name where you're going to host that code. And then once you're done, just hit done. And that's it. So now I have a beautiful web form that I can either send a link to or host on my website, and when people put their information in, it automatically will come into Podio. I'll show you, and see there's that help field over there on the right. Hit process. I got notifications that that's been submitted. If I go to contact form, there it is. Now I can use that information, call the customer, and make a comment. So that's it for basic web form. If you want a more advanced tutorial, like I said, click the link that you see on the screen, and you'll see our advanced one where it goes through some Globy Flow features of that, how to use some workflows for this, how to move things from one app to the other. Goes through some kind of crazy stuff that might help you get some ideas for how to use a web form within Podio. As always, we love your feedback, so if you have anything good or bad to say about this video, please go to feedback.focalogical.com. You'll see that link on your screen. We also do free 30-minute consultations. We love hearing about how you use Podio, how you want to use Podio, and just kind of filling your mind with some of our knowledge and suggestions for how to grow your business using Podio. So if you're interested in that, please go to consult.focalogical.com. We also like to hear if you have any video suggestions for this type of video tutorials on YouTube, that you can submit at video.focalogical.com. And finally, we do pre-built Podio solutions, including automations that we sell for a fixed fee price. If that sounds intriguing to you, check those out at podiosolution.focalogical.com. Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you want more videos, and we'll be talking to you soon.